I'm from the Asian jury. We had 10 films to watch, and we selected Epilogue from Israel. And this was a truly Asian competition with films from Afghanistan, Indonesia, like all the nations, and even India. And for us, it wasn't a difficult choice to make. It was a unanimous decision, and that film stood out above everything. And if somebody asked me like what should be a film like, I'll tell them go and watch Epilogue. That demonstrates what cinema can do. Cinema can be about anything, about your next door neighbor. He is just living next door to you, but you don't know what he's like. And this film just gives that. This old couple, 80 and 84-year-old, could be your next door neighbor. You don't know them. You have seen them coming out and go. But the transformation that takes place inside that room, which could be, which hasn't been updated since 50s or 60s. There's a telephone which looks like it comes from like the 60s era. Radio, everything looks so old that anyone cannot imagine people are living in that condition. But it's about that. And the other amazing thing about this film is the economic way the filmmaker has told the story. You get the sense that the whole film could be taking place in the 60s, except there are a couple of scenes that makes you feel that this is a contemporary film. Films like just one scene where there's a use of mobile phone. There's one scene where everything is dealt in computerized system, the medication process. Those are the glimmers of scenes that gives that this is a modern life they are capturing. But the whole ambience gives the sense that it's in the 60s. So very precise storytelling. It cannot be better than that. And the other thing is, as I told, it can be about your next door neighbor. How would a couple living together just by themselves, 80 and 84-year-old, and nobody coming to meet them? That's one part. The other thing is the philosophy he has, the political philosophy he carries, socialism, which he cannot give up that. But that one day, everything happens that one day. Everything changes for them. And it's a beautiful portrayal of the life probably which lives around us, but which we have never bothered to see or hear. That's it. Thank you.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 11 ಸಿನಿಮಾ